The volume-weighted average price, or VWAP, is a staple for institutional traders, but the real power lies in its advanced applications, especially when combined with auto-anchoring. Most traders use VWAP in its basic form, resetting it at the start of each session. But markets do not move in neat, predictable cycles. Significant price events, not arbitrary time frames, dictate meaningful trend shifts. This is where auto-anchored VWAP comes in. Instead of relying on session-based VWAPs, which reset at arbitrary points, auto-anchored VWAP locks onto significant price events, swing highs, lows, or volume spikes. This shifts VWAP from being a passive reference line to a dynamic tool for real-time decision-making. One of the most effective uses? Anchoring VWAP to volatility events. When markets experience sharp moves, whether from earnings reports, central bank decisions, or sudden order flow shifts, auto-anchored VWAP provides an evolving framework of support and resistance. Unlike traditional indicators, it adapts to new liquidity zones as they form, keeping traders ahead of the curve. Another powerful application is multi-time frame anchoring. While many traders apply VWAP intraday, using auto-anchored VWAP on weekly or monthly pivots reveals long-term institutional positioning. The result: a deeper understanding of where price is likely to react, allowing for higher confidence trade setups. Then there is layered VWAP analysis. Combining multiple auto-anchored VWAPs, one for short-term structure and another for macro trends, creates a roadmap for price action. Instead of chasing signals, traders can see how price interacts with different levels of volume-weighted significance, filtering out market noise. Liquidity drives the market, and auto-anchored VWAP exposes where that liquidity is building. It is not just a trend-following tool, it is a predictive one. By dynamically adjusting to price structure, it gives traders an edge in anticipating where the next major move is likely to happen. If you are still treating VWAP as a static session tool, you are missing its full potential. The ability to anchor dynamically, whether to volatility shifts, structural pivots, or institutional footprints, turns VWAP into a forward-looking strategy. In a market where execution matters, that edge is everything.